So hi guys, today again we come with another informative video. Since we will make a crispy French fries. So for this we took all these ingredients. So how you will make crispy French fries at your home? Please see this video till last. We took only like potatoes and like this all oil and this paprika powder, black pepper, this our salt and corn flour and all these utensils like knife and all this spoon. First what we will do, first we will cut our potato in julienne and we will boil till maybe 3 to 4 minutes and 50% boil done. Then we have to make with the corn flour and have to fry. Okay, so after we have to put like with our like black pepper, salt and on top of our French fries, and we need all this ingredient like utensils and this like this. So I will show you. Okay, so please see this video till last. So first we have to cut this julienne. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video. So here I already took one pan. I already put water, so I will put my potato here, and also one pan to fry our potato. So we already cut it our potato in julienne, and I already took this pan to boil our potato. 3 minutes we went. We took fried oil for fry. Okay, so you just put your potato here, and 3 minutes you have to boil. Okay, and 50% you have to done here, and then we have to fry here. Okay, here I already put this corn flour and mix in water little. So when this our potato will be done, we will put here and we will fry. Okay, so this is our potato still in the water. So 2 minutes done. So now 1 more minute we have to boil, then we will remove. Okay, potato already done 50%, so we have to remove. So 50% this is done, we have to remove this. Then we have to fry also in our oil. Okay, so you have to remove this. Okay, so I remove all this, and now I already put this corn flour. So you just put here and we little bit put this, and we have to fry. Okay, put here and a little bit coated with corn flour. Okay, I put little salt and also black pepper also in it. Okay, so a little bit like this, because this will be coated good, so this will be good for this will be crispy. Okay, so our oil also heated. Okay, so now you put your French fries here and have to fry. Okay, so you have to fry your potato till 5 to 6 to 7 minutes. So when this will be ready, we have to remove this and we'll serve. Okay, I will show you when this will be done. So our potato already done. So you check this, like this color should be like this. Okay, little golden brown and this crispy like this. So we have to remove this, and we will put salt, pepper and this red paprika powder, and we will serve. Okay, so like this color should be of French fries. Okay, so we have to remove now this and we'll serve. So I already removed my French fries, and I already put salt, pepper and little paprika powder, and you have to serve in plate like this, and you can eat this with mayonnaise or ketchup or whatever. So you can eat this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like this video, please like and share to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. If you like this video, please like and share to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So if you have any query, please comment in comment box, and if you still not subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe and please tell us in which topic you need video. So please share to your friend also this recipe, and we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day, take care, Allah Hafiz.